Hello everyone and welcome back to Prax Art Gallery. So today I'm going to draw a very beautiful butterfly, and for this I am using Dom's color pencil. This is the color pencil which I have recently bought, and this is of 24 shades. So I'll be using the bunch of colors from this. So now let's get started. Before we start, if you're new to my channel, hi, I'm Prax and I generally do pencil drawings, charcoal pencil, and nowadays I'm trying out color pencils. So consider subscribing if you like my content. So here I am ready with my outlines, and now I'll tell you exactly what colors I'm using. So first I'll be using this red color, dark pink color, white color and purple color, brown color. Apart from that, I will also use this dark pink and these two dark colors, the blue and the black, for darker areas. First of all, I am ensuring that all the highlights I am first covering with the white color, so that when I actually apply color on that, my highlights will be still visible. I'll give an outline with the brown color and then I'll start shading. Now I am applying darker tone, and here I'll be applying it with little more pressure so that the pink color will be visible. So as you can see, our beautiful butterfly is ready to fly. Yeah, so that's all for today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, do subscribe. And in case if you want to watch more such videos, you can check out this playlist. And I will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.